So this is it guys. Mas gugupit ako ng mga pang decorations ko sa aking birthday. Ayan yung mga name ko guys. Gugupitin ko and then guys, ayan, mag-i-start na ako maglobo-lobo ng aking mga balloons. Ayan. Mag-start na ako maglobo guys. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Ayan o, paglobo. Pang bomba guys. Ayan. So I'm ready na. So ayan. Unahin ko muna pagkupit tong aking mga ano guys. Mga name. Mga name na ilalagay guys. Ayan. Gugupitin natin. Ayan po. I'm ready na. I'm ready na guys sa aking birthday celebration tomorrow. Ayan. So, ito yung mga letter guys, yung aking mga pages. Pangalan ng aking pages guys, tsaka ng aking YD channel. Ayan. Parang ano na din yan guys. It's a celebration. It's a celebration for my channel and for my pages. Ayan guys. So, this one, letter M guys, letter M. Ayan. Letter M, and then, susunod natin guys, letter A. Letter A guys, as M. Madam. Madam AG guys. Madam AJ. Ayan, letter H guys. Ayan. Ito yung mga name ko sa aking YD channel at saka sa aking mga pages guys. Ayan, meron akong ano guys, meron akong 4 na page. Ayan, 3 YD channel. 3 YD channel guys. Ayan. Gagawaan ko rin ng ano guys, yung aking ano, yung aking isa pa. Gagawa po ulit ako ng isa pang channel guys. Ayan, meron akong 3 channel. Ayan, Andajin Vlog, AG Tour Vlog, and Madam AG Vlog. Ayan yung aking mga pages guys. May aking FB. Mga FB account ko yun guys, na meron din akong YD channel. Ayan, 3 yan siya guys. So, yung isa ko pang ano, FB account guys is RC. So soon, gagawaan ko din ng YD channel yung aking RC. So, RC vlog naman yung aking gagawin guys. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan na siya guys. Madam ano guys. Ayan. Ayan na siya guys. O. Letter M, M-A-D, ayan, later I will show you guys. Ayan, Madam yan siya guys. Madam, ayan yung vlog niya. Kitin natin. Hi! I'm so excited guys. I'm so excited of my party tomorrow. It's only a little celebration guys because I don't have budget pa. Ayan, my payout is late guys. So it's It's a, ano lang, it's a little celebration. A simple celebration of mine. Yan, a simple celebration of mine, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Only a decoration. Only a decoration, guys. Because my payout is late. Late yung aking payout, guys. Ayan. So, ayan, kompleto na siya, guys. Madam. And then, AJ. Where is the AJ? AJ. Asan yung AJ dito? Napatred pa din. Ayan. Medyo madami to siya, guys. Madami akong gugubitin. So, ayan. So, ayan, guys. Later, I will show you because a lot of, ayan, ang dami kong gugupitin, guys. So, later, I will show you the finished product. Okay? Okay, wait for a while, guys. So, ayan. I will stop the video and I will continue later. Okay? Ito na yung ginupit ko dyan, guys. Aking YD channel, Madam AG Vlog. Ayan, guys. Tapos ito yung kanyang page, guys. Meron din akong FB page, Madam AG. Madam AG lang siya, guys. And then, ayan, guys. Ito naman yung aking main channel, AG Tura Vlog. Ayan, AG Tura Vlog. And then, meron din siyang FB page, guys. Ayan, AG Tura. And then, yung aking Indigen Vlog, guys. Ayan. Ayan, kompleto na, guys. Yan yung aking mga YD channel. Tsaka, FB accounts. Ayan, guys. O, diba? Ang dami kong accounts, guys. Ayan. Madam AG Vlog. Madam AG, yung aking FB page. Ayan, guys. AG Tura Vlog. May YD channel. Tsaka AG Tura naman yung FB page. And then, Indigen Vlog. May YD channel. Tsaka FB account. So, diba, guys? Ayan yung aking mga accounts na kumikita. Ayan. O, diba? Ang dami, guys. So, ayan na po. Ready na yung aking pang decorations, guys. Ayan, ang susunod ka naman, guys, is itong balloons. Ayan, palulubuhin ko siya, guys. So, let's go! So this is it, guys. Let's open this decorations, birthday decorations, a curtain. So ayan, I will start to order this, you guys. Charan! OMG, it's so beautiful. I like it. And guys, so ayan, sa labas ko siya ididikit, guys. Charan! A red color. I really love red color, guys. Ayan, it's a birthday curtain. So ayan, so let's go. Let's go, guys. Ayan, i-decorate. Iano ko na siya, guys. Charan! Charan! So, ready na. I'm ready na, guys. So, ididikit na natin siya doon sa aming, garage. Sa aming labas, guys. Out there. Outside. Charan! So, I'm so happy of this. And then this one, guys. I want to show you this. I want to show you this, guys. Charan. Ayan. We have a free, ano guys, a free scotch tape. Free scotch tape, guys. Okay. Oh my God. What happened? Oh my God. Naranja, guys. Oh my God. Where is the ano? So, this is it. A happy birthday. Happy birthday, guys. Charan. Happy birthday. Ayan. So, charan. This is it. This is, guys, a happy birthday. A happy birthday. So, let's start. Let's start to ano, guys. Let's start. And then this one. This one, guys. Charan. Ano, and the balloons. And the balloons, guys. So, let's go. Ayan, I'm going to lobo-lobo here, guys. A balance. So, let's go, let's go, let's go. And so, this is it, guys. I'm finished. I'm finished assembling, guys. Ayan, happy birthday. Happy birthday, guys. Ayan. Happy birthday. Charan. Charan! Day! Happy birthday! So, ayan. So, I'm ready na, guys. Ready na. So, the balloons na lang, guys. Ayan. The balloons. Okay. Charan! It's a red coatings. Yeah! I love red. Buliga. I love red curtains. So guys, ito na yung ating preparation for my body decoration. Ayan. It's body. Ayan. And then guys, the next one is my na ano siya. Tanggal yung kanyang ano, guys. Where is that? No? Asan yung ano dito? Okay guys, yung kabila. Ano ba yaman to? Doon ka sa kabila magpakita. Charan! Ito na guys. Sasabit ko na siya guys. Charan!
Pala, live o straight?
Straight.
na, okay na yan.
Tcharam! Yan naman pala yung hinard kong ano guys, hinard kong maglulubo ng balloon. Ayan.
Mas maganda to, madali.
Ayan guys, umiram ako ng ano, ng tawag nito, ng pang ano,
Yan.
machine ng ano, balloon.
Hindi na tayo mag-ano ngayon ng mga okasyon ngayon ng mga birthdayhan. Ayan. Binyagan. Dati sa school ginagawa ko to eh. Gumagaya ko lang din sila. Alam mo, pag gumaya ka, mas maganda pa rin sa'yo kasi yung gumawa ng tunay. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat dyan. Okay, prepare na tayo ngayon ng ano, ang pang ano niya, pang decorate. May maliit, may malaki, may malaki naman. Ito po yung aking ginawa kanina, oh, yung aking sinulat. Yan, ginpit-pit ko na. Walang itim nito. Ang dami naman.
Taga-anim lang ang gawin mo. Anim lang.
Mga bata bukas.
Anim lang, 6 na red, 6 na gold.
Oh, anim na ito.
Yung gold 6.
Dapat walo-walo. Pero maganda.
Oh, sige, 8.
Swerte yung kulay na number ng 8 eh.
8 guys.
Alright,
Ayan guys, yung ating balloons guys.
gabi.
Guys, ayan.
Yung po ito yung set malaki. Ayan guys, oh, tingnan nyo mabuti. Pagka birthday kayo, birthday ng anak nyo. Eh. Diba?
Ayan guys, yung aking mga channel. A-Teacher Vlog,
Okay na.
Madam H Vlog. Ayan. That's it guys, yung aking mga
Ayan, guys,
balloons.
bye-bye.
Ayan ang laki dito guys. Ang laki ng balloons na to guys. Tcharan! Ayan o. So happy. Ayan na guys, yung ating mga balloons. Ready na yung aking mga balloons guys. Tcharan! Ayan. Gold. Oh my god, ang laki nitong gold guys. Ang laki. I'm so happy na guys. Ayan, I'm ready na. Ready na yung aking pang decorations guys. Again, ang laki-laki man ito guys. Ang lalaki. Lalaki ng mga ano guys, balloons. Tcharan! Tcharan! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me! Tcharan! Tcharan! Yan. So, ikakabit ko na siya doon guys sa labas. Tcharan! Yan na natin siya guys. Ayan yung ating logo. Red. red. Ayan. Guys, ito na yung ating mga balloon. Sharam. Ayan. A combination of golden red. Golden red siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Sharam. Sharam, guys. Look. I really love it. A golden red, guys. One of my favorite color. So, ididikit ko na siya dun sa labas, guys. Ayan. Later.